kyōdō. We use this for company projects, university research, shared kitchens or bathrooms, and group tasks. 共同、会社のプロジェクト、大学の研究、家のキッチンやトイレなどでよく使います。It is used as a noun and as a pseudo verb. 共同 literally talks about acting together and about things used or owned together. 一緒に行うこと、またはみんなで使うことを指します。The first kanji means together and shared. It appears in kyōyu to show sharing. You also see it in kokyo to mean public things. Remember it for the idea of togetherness. The second kanji means same or agree. You meet it in doji for happening at the same time. You also see it in doi for agreement. It often links people or things as one. We clean together. 私たちは共同で掃除します。私たちは共同で掃除します。This toilet is shared. このトイレは共同です。このトイレは共同です。The two opened a store together. 二人は共同で店を開きました。二人は共同で店を開きました。Students use a shared kitchen. 学生は共同のキッチンを使います。学生は共同のキッチンを使います。The most common synonyms of the word are 協力 and 協用。協力 is active helping toward a goal, while 共用 is specifically about shared use of items or spaces. Both overlap with the idea of doing or using things together. The most common antonym of the word is 単独, which means acting alone. It contrasts with doing things together or sharing.